So you think we can make it on avalanche?
No.
Where it slide it down?
No.
No? Why not? Because it may intersect another one.
No.
So you say it's gonna come.
I've seen one was here, another one was above this galley. You see this rock?
And that's
Oh yes, there is
all
some
the way-
cornices. You see,
all the
cornices.
way from the top.
But that's an interesting way to study avalanches. Right here.
Should we leave the snowshoes here? What do you think? No?
Yeah.
Leave them here.
Yeah, you probably won't need them. So that is
But then we have to come back.
North Upper Ridge.
We will come back this way.
This is the same?
What do you think?
Yeah, we also can take this valley. I think it's not dangerous. I don't know, we see. But it's gonna be no views and deeper snow probably, you know.